Hello everyone, welcome back. And you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get PayPal option in payment method on iPhone and iPad in any iOS version. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to check, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. Go back to settings and tap on your profile name. Under your profile name, tap on media and purchases and tap view account. Now tap on manage payments. Under manage payments, tap on add payment method. That you can see on the screen, there is no none and PayPal option appears. Now we are going to get PayPal and none option under the add payments. For that, go back to iPhone home screen. From the iPhone home screen, open App Store. Now tap on your profile name and tap profile name again. Here we have to tap on country and region. Under country and region, tap on change country or region. Here we have to select where the PayPal services are available. Select the United States, India, like that. I'm going to select United States. Now tap on agree and tap again. Apple Media Services Term and Condition, tap agree again. That's it. Now you can get PayPal and none option together under your payment method. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.